Today's mission is critical, securing the integrity of our email communication. Bad emails is a risk we cannot tolerate. The objectives are clear. Validate emails in bulk and help increase your deliverability rate. Instead of one by one, we're tagging and validating email addresses in bulk, efficient, smart, and with precision. Let's step into it. Step 1. In the agency settings, activate email validation. Also, make sure your sub-accounts have connected with the LC email. Activating this gear comes at a minimal cost per email address. Step 2. Now, navigate to contacts in the selected sub-account. Select the target contacts by ticking their boxes or select them all if necessary. Look for the validate email icon. Name the action and hit proceed. The benefits of verifying your emails are many. Cost efficiency, reduced bounce rate, protect your sender reputation, and reduced spam complaints. Let's check how the bulk actions are processed now. Since the system is processing a lot of contacts en masse, you will have some important stats like the completion rate. Check the stats. These were all demonstration emails, so it comes as no surprise that none of these emails were valid. Step 3. In the theater of digital operations, Intel is king. Back in the contacts section, click on a contact to open their profile. Locate their contact info. Here, you'll see the email status clearly marked as invalid. If you want to see the bigger picture, a broader view of the landscape, use the contacts filter. Navigate to the filters. Select the filter criteria email valid and choose the specific status you want to review. Valid, invalid, or is not validated. Today, you've shown exemplary skill in navigating the terrain of email validation. Congratulations, mission accomplished.